Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility Zoom. This tells you whether the feature is active and what kind of zoom you're dealing with. Once done, check the zoom region and maximum zoom level so you know if it's screen zoom or full screen magnifier. Make sure your iPhone model and iOS version are visible in About because some fixes differ by generation. With that info, you're ready to apply the first corrective steps. Next, toggle zoom off and then back on to clear transient bugs. This simple reset often restores normal behavior. You should then lower or raise maximum zoom and switch zoom region between full screen and window to test how the display reacts, because some problems are region-specific. Once settings are changed, practice the 3-finger double tap to enable zoom and 3-finger drag to reposition the window. This confirms controls respond and reveals whether the issue was settings or touch recognition. To finish, restart your iPhone to apply changes and clear residual faults. After reboot, test zoom gestures again to ensure everything behaves. If problems persist, use Settings General Transfer or Reset All Settings. This preserves data while restoring system defaults that can fix deeper conflicts. If you still see erratic zoom or unresponsive gestures, contact Apple support or visit a store, because it may be a hardware or OS-level issue that requires professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.